Hi everyone and welcome. In front of me is Harman Kardon Citation 300 and today I will show you how to hard reset it. Let's get started. The first option is to click Options and click Factory Reset. The second option is to turn our speaker upside down and hold this button for 5 seconds. As you can see, this button is over there. But today we'll do this first option, so we have to turn this back and click Factory Reset. Now we have to approve and click Yes. As you can see, our device is restarting now and now turning on. As you can see, that's it. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Hope it helps. Goodbye.